Hey guys, my name is Jade. Today is my LeetCode review vlog on the 27th problem, which is called remove element. Let's get started. First, we are given an integer array, nums, and an integer value. We have to remove all occurrences of value in nums in place. In place means we cannot use any extra spaces to solve the problem, and the order of the elements may be changed. Then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to value. So let's get started. So the quick solution is we can use the two-pointer approach, which means we can have the former pointer. We can call it the non-target pointer. So the non-target pointer represents the position where the next non-target element should be placed. And we have another pointer, we can call it, I would call it iterate pointer. So the iterate pointer, it is used to iterate through the array elements. So by overriding the target elements with non-target elements, the solution effectively removes all occurrences of the target value from the array. So let's get into it step by step. So the first step is we have to initialize the two pointers. So the first pointer we can call the non-target pointer, which should be initialized at 0, because we have to traverse the whole array from 0 to the end. And we can initialize the iterate pointer at the for loop. Then we can have a for loop. Then we initialize the iterate pointer with 0. And for the conditions to quit the for loop, which is the iterate pointer is smaller than nums.length. And in each iterations, we have to increase the iterate pointer by 1. And in each iterations, we have to check if the value at the position of the iterate pointer whether it is equal to the value we want. So we have to check it, which is nums at the position of iterate pointer. Nums at the position of iterate pointer. If that value it is not equal to the target value, which means this element is non-target element. So we can assign nums at the position of non-target pointer with the value of the nums at the position of iterate pointer. Then we have to increase the non-target pointer by 1, because we have used this value. We can't use it anymore. So this is the whole for loop progress, and at the end the problem asks us to return. We have to return k. The k stands for the remaining numbers of the non-target element, which is equal to the non-target pointer, because this pointer stands for the final element final non-target element. Then let's check out our code. So yes, it got accepted. Then we have to analyze the time and space complexity. So for the time complexity, it is big O of n because we traverse the whole nums array for only one time. And for the space complexity, just as the problem asks for, it is in place. We have to remove all occurrences of value in nums and in place. So the space complexity should be big O of 1. And that's the end of all this problem. Thank you for your watching. And you can also check my quick notes for this problem at my GitHub repository here, which is top 150 LeetCode quick review notes. And thank you guys for your watching. See you next time.